Alright, something's telling me to mess with this again. So, I'm thinking that the adjuster screw here is in way too tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the turns that I loosen it. I'm going to loosen this lock nut, and then I'm going to count the turns that I loosen this in I'm gonna do 1/4 turns, so I can just put it back, like, you know, do 11 or 12, whatever have you. Because I think it's just tight, in my opinion. Not even educated opinion, we'll say, in my best guess, I think it's just tight. So that was 10, and then we'll tighten it. Or not tighten it. I want to see if the resistance, maybe I'm getting that part wrong. So the resistance part, I'm guessing is from the screw, because the screw turns the nut, because the nut turns with it. And I'm gonna loosen this, like loosen it. Hopefully I don't loosen it to the point where it breaks off. I'm just gonna loosen it all the way out here, right? And I would figure that couldn't, the cover needs to go on it. So this couldn't have been like this at any point. So this is obviously too much, right? That's definitely wrong. So I'm thinking you weren't really supposed, well, I'm just gonna say you weren't supposed to like mess with this too much, and I ended up messing with it too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this flush, and then assume that this is what the bike started with. It's a little less than flush. Where's the hell did I put it? Oh, it rolled. Did it roll away from me? No, it didn't. Cool. So if I mess with this adjuster, right? I feel like when I move the screw, maybe it's supposed to operate that way though. Let's see. Yep, when you turn the screw, this also turns with it. I don't know if that's by design or because I did something wrong and messed this up. It's $58 or $53 or something like that on Partzilla, so if I need to get another piece, then I'll just get another piece. But I want to make that flush with this sprocket cover piece. So what I'm going to do is hit this with a screwdriver and let this sucker come here, and then tighten it like that. If I can put it on the right way, right? I don't think that went the way I wanted it to go. Okay, so assuming that this was my baseline, right? That is a little less than flush, but I think it's the best I can get it for now. Right, and then I'll tighten that up. And move this back some. And then I'll test that. So here's where we are now. Test. I have not. Yeah, so that's got to be wrong. The way I just thought I was doing it, right?